They do feel very short. It can't be them, it can't be.
No, it's the longer one.
It's got to be, because
You
that's...
told him any longer ones, man.
Oh no, hold on, it's not on the dowels, that's
Oh,
right.
come on. How many girths is it in by?
Like 3?
Oh,
Oh, that's what. Oh, hold on. No, that's right. It's just not on the dowels. I think if we thread, once we tap that in, that'd be fine. Oh, got a new temperature sensor as well.
yeah.
Yeah, it's the deceptive nature of that dowel, not.
I didn't offer it up. I just poked it through
And
came
thought-
out the.
And you poked it through and thought, I'll leave that to James.
Well, I didn't know if you wanted to clean it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, well, yeah.
No, I didn't. It was just dusty.
Somehow I've managed to get 3 of them. There's only one of them came in my kit, which I bought years and years ago, in the black blow moulded case, a bit like one you've got.
I've never seen any of them.
No, the whole case disintegrated. That was probably going back 20 years.
20 years.
Yeah.
Get in. First time. Oh. Like, in case I slam my fingers on it.
Pretty sharp, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got a rusty shaft.
Someone was making new ones on the choppers.
Shafts?
Yeah. Because obviously you can't buy it.
No. Mint. So what way do you reckon they face then? That loom? Are they? I got a feeling like one's on this side or something. No?
Well, we can probably offer it up, mate.
True.
But it's a bit in the way, isn't it?
A little bit. Let's get the cranks set there anyway.
There is much more we could do to it, really.
Finish it? Or just start it up. Put the starter motor on. Send it. That's tiny. It's thin there.
The O-ring, yeah.
That is crazy.
Before it goes in the car, there's not a huge amount to put on it.
No. Good. No. Does it come with that really? Oh, there it is. Funny enough, in the block set. Good bit of progress. Very much. You finish with this one, right? Should I use it? Sorry, I'll put it there. Oh. Why would that be so small? I've never seen that. That O-ring. No.
It's not something we routinely
No, you
change.
won't go wrong there. Rogers. Uncle Rogers special jam. That's got a socket cap with a same as the cam sensors, isn't it?
Yeah.
lifted your rib out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really is filter heads, I think. Now. I could put the fridge.
Reinforcement on, couldn't I?
Yeah. Box for that are.
If I can find it.
I reckon it's those two there.
There's two?
I reckon.
You already want to, yes.
You get that from the back of the workshop?
Yeah.
That. I don't know where the 2 5mm socket there.
I clean. I readily cleaned it. Interestingly, it's had contact. But then they do run very close, don't they?
Unusual.
Tom Jones.
Yeah, I did a bit up.
I don't believe it.
That's something.
Go on. Do it. So that's why they cut the fan blade. I worked out it's because of the.
Oh, it
caps.
hits the vinyl.
Yes, the vinyls. I'm sure it is. Let me grab it. Does it go on that one? That lower one?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that? Like that? Yeah. If I scream, it slipped. My fingers are behind it.
And your fingers are jammed against the block.
I can help it. There was a mouse behind one, remember that?
Oh, yeah.
What?
We found a mouse behind
Yeah.
Never.
The water pump pulley. Yeah, it was like a skeleton, wasn't it? Did it have a bit of fur on it? I can't remember.
Well, the best.
You got to do the knee bend when you do it, because I don't.
Yeah.
And make the face, because
Just
otherwise
mention the little squeak.
your body.
Is that all of them?
I think so. I think it was.
I'm pretty sure.
One.
There's a little bit of something there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I can't remember. Did we see anything? There was a nest, or there was something that.
Yeah, it was a skeleton of a mouse. It was an M54 330.
Was it? Good memory. Yeah, it was on the inside, wasn't it? It obviously curled up there
You've
thinking,
been going round.
oh, it's nice and warm. Isn't it? Somebody started it up.
Yeah, the belt snapped and he was just running around.
I reckon it is Thanos. Yeah. It's not going to be radiator, so they start short. They developed a new fan specifically for a Z3M S54. It's the only thing it fits.
Yeah.
And they've made a neater job, to be fair, than we could have ever made it. So.
Yeah, I mean, we could have just cut it flat, but it wouldn't be as nice.
That's right. I'm not unbalanced, so
Yeah.
very clever. Yeah. Yeah, because they're not torque, are they? No. And you found the pulley, didn't you? Oh, no, I found it.
Good shooting is that.
I'll clean that.
I got the washers already on there. And then I next you found the cap and all the bolts.
Cap and bolts are laid out. What about the centre bolt, the 6mm? Did you put that in?
That's in there.
That's in there, yeah. I've got to find those filterising bolts.
Yeah.
One of them's fairly unique, 'cause I'm sure it's a 100mm one. Quite different to the others.
Put a cap cover on there.
Yeah, it'll be back Monday. Yeah.
Put the plugs in.
Yeah, there's nothing more inside that needs doing, apart from a bit of pre-ordering. But
Yeah.
yeah, it's time now. Time, final sign. Bit of dry bond 1209.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is quite
I found the fuel rail as well.
Oh,
It's
nice.
over there. With the vacuum hose as well.
Oh yeah, look at
That needs that.
It's all on there.
I've only got another.
And another bracket. The beauty about lots of S54s. Spare bits everywhere. Yeah, but no extra nut.
Oh.
But we got the top cover.
Yeah.
And is that a complete vacuum mount?
Yeah.
Put the whole thing.
Yeah.
Complete with a E46 M3, which I think is the right size compared to the old Z3M one I'm using.
Yeah. And even an undisturbed connection. on it.
Yeah. That end don't look too bad either.
No.
Right, I'll clean that up. Got a Vanos pressure accumulator.
Yeah, with the broken tab.
Yeah.
Ready to match up to the broken end on here. So you could weld it back on.
We could do.
Yeah. Doesn't matter, does it?
No. And a sucking jet pump,
Yeah.
which is ideal.
It's just got plumbing to your vent height.
Which I've got still.
Yeah. Just got to wire it up.
Yeah, just wire it up, just 2 pin.
Well, the engine loom might have that on, potentially, because it's staying in that area.
I reckon it will.
It probably has got
It
it on.
is, it probably is. Yeah. And then we're going up through sitting through the middle of there. Yeah, there's loads. Yeah. Fantastic.
Brilliant.
Yeah. Well, that's a good point to stop, isn't it? Yeah.
We're not practicing tomorrow.
As much as they like to.